In this video, we're going to be going over the parts and pieces that you should have received for your stand, as well as how to put your stand together. First, we're going to go over the tools that you will need in order to complete the stand project. Most of the tools are given to you in the box. Here are the tools that are in the box. We have the wrench, as well as an Allen wrench. Now, the tool that you will need that is not included in the box is a Phillips screwdriver. In your package, you should have received 16 nuts, 16 washers, and 16 bolts. As you can see from the bolt end, that is where the hex key will be involved. The wrench will be used to secure the nut when you are assembling your stand. These 4 bolts that you see right here are for your machine. That's what you're going to use to attach it to your stand. Notice that these screws may look a little similar to the other 4 that are remaining, but this one has a beveled top. It has a locking washer and another washer. That is how you can tell the difference in these screws. You should have also received 4 of these screws. They'll have a flat top and a Phillips screwdriver will be needed. This is what's going to be used when you're mounting the brackets to your stand. In your kit, you should have received 2 leg stands, 2 mounting brackets, 2 roller brackets, 2 rollers, 2 support beams, and the 2 leg supports. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to connect the horizontal leg to the vertical stand support that you see right here. So the vertical stand support actually has 4 holes altogether when we're looking at either the top or the bottom. You're going to want to find the holes that are the largest at the end. That's where we're going to connect the horizontal leg stand. Once you line up the holes, you're going to want to use the hex, nut, and bolts in order to secure this. The technique that we're going to use on this is we're going to screw this in to finger tight, and then we're going to use the wrench along with the Allen wrench to firmly secure the stand. So each support leg has 2 of those holes for you to secure. Once you're done with the second hole, it's going to be time to repeat this process on the